Hey gang, hey friends, hey gang friends, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video finds you well. If you're new, then hello, my name is Jo and I do nail stuff. She does stuff, nail stuff, and stuff she does for nails, done with nail stuff and stuff for nails. So I sat down today to film a whole set. Some people ask what I use to put my pop things on. So I just take some blue tack that's been fashioned into a dice and pop it on the back, and I use these little things that come with the little glass thing. Oh, this is helpful. The little glass ball thingy-majig that's got a magnet on it, and the bottom of these are magnetic. I don't normally struggle as much as I clearly did with that one there. So that's those. I'm starting with Alaska. I'm going to do 2 coats. Yes, oh my goodness. I sat down today with all intentions to do 5 nails. Did not go to plan. I just wasn't feeling anything. Nothing was going right. So we have one. We have one nail, I'm afraid. But it was the only thing that I was sort of in the mood to do. And I had an idea. And it was a good idea, if I do say so myself. But I needed a certain stamp for it, which I thought I had. And I don't have a stamping plate like that. So that was that out the window. This is inspired by a Celina Ryden set. It's going to be flames on a checkerboard. Oh, bit of floof. So I'm taking Piccadilly Circus and drawing some flames. I did my usual, don't look at a picture until I drew them about 5 times, and I had decided no video today. I'm annoyed, and then thought, no, just look at a picture. But then I remembered I have some of those flame stickers, some hollow ones. So I just looked at a sticker and tried to copy the pattern, and then kind of butchered it. So that's what we're doing today. It's pretty straightforward, but I wanted to come on and say hello and Happy New Year. And then, hello, Happy New Year. How are you all? Did you have a nice New Year's Eve? I think I did. Oh, I watched a film. I didn't have much to drink. Thought I might. I didn't have a Baileys until about 2 a.m. But yeah, so it's 2021. Thank goodness. But it hasn't come without the usual suspects, which we'll get to in a minute. So I'm going to cure this once I've doodled it. They're kind of like wise, but like that have been poisoned with radioactive stuff, and they've gone a bit deformed. Is that PC? Oh well. So I've cured the yellow, and she has got a video on how to do this. Didn't watch the video. So I've cured the yellow because that's just our kind of base main colour. I'm now taking this red, which is Siren, and I've started to pop it at the top of each flame, each lick. Why have I got the giggles today? I don't know. Top of each lick, and I'm bringing it down. Obviously not ombreing it very well because the yellow isn't wet, so I'm trying to fade it out a smidgeroo. So I think, did I add some more yellow? Possibly. But I liked this colour Siren because it's got a bit of orange to it. And fire be orange! I watched Castaway the other day, where the bit where Tom Hanks makes a fire. He's like, look what I've created! And that's the look we're going for today. So I have added some more of the Piccadilly Circus to my brush, and I'm just using that to help me fade down the Siren. These are all Gel Perfection colours, which you can get at diamondglitters.co.uk, and you can use code TEAMDG for a discount on their website. Are they back open now? Yes, of course they are. Are they? Yeah, I don't know. I haven't looked. Yes, I should know this. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes. I'm certain. So, yeah, and then I ended up kind of drowning out some of the yellow, so I'm trying to add more yellow. I was intending just to do just a rough ombre and leave brush strokes in it but got a bit carried away and decided I wanted to get a clean ombre, as clean as pos. So ended up faffing, just over faffing, faff some more, do some faff, and then a little bit more faff. And then, yeah, you can see I'm adding more yellow towards the top and just kind of trying to make it more red at the top, more yellow at the bottom, and kind of orangey in the middle. So I was just playing around with it for yonks and yonks. So while I'm doing that, let's have I don't want to wait, have an episode of It's Lovers and Haters. Lovers and haters, lovers and haters. Our first lover of the day is Zeta802. She said, Joe, I've never wanted to be noticed by someone so much in my life. Lol, 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 lol. Is that laugh out loud, out loud, out loud? Or is it laugh out, laugh out, laugh out loud? So I'm saying you suck just so I can get on Lovers and Haters. But truth be told, I absolutely love your videos. I've binge watched them all and I'm a true fan. Happy New Year, my dear. Happy New Year, Zeta802. Thank you so much for your comment. And I classed it as a lover, not a hater. I hope that's okay. Look, I'm still faffing. Oh, I'll tell you what I did now. I cured my thingy and cured where I'd faffed, trying to blend them, and then I went and put some more yellow at the bottom, and now I'm going in with more red. I'm just repeating the thing I've just done, even though it doesn't need repeating. This is the kind of day I was having. So I'm doing the same thing and trying to, and I thought, oh, let's make the red bits a bit more yellow. Cured them. Now let's make the bits that were red and I've made more yellow a bit more red. I mean, this is why there's only one nail today. I finished this one and thought, nope, no more today for me, thank you. So I'm going to, once I've finished the faffing, adding more red that I'd covered in yellow because it was too red and making it more red. I cure that, and then I'm going to outline everything with Blackout, which is the Gel Perfection Black. And whilst that's happening, I am going to do a hater. Shall we, let's. So this was a comment on the post I did yesterday evening asking for your guys' advice on how I should display the tips from, beg your pardon, from the videos. Pretty straightforward question. I thought I was wrong. It was clearly quite confusing. But before I get to that, once I finish outlining the black here, outlining the flames with black, I'm going to cure it, and then I'm going to do some vertical lines and some horizontal lines all throughout the white, and I'll cure those just to hold them in place. That's our grid, and then we're going to fill in every other one with black so that we have this checkered flag. And that's kind of all I do. This is just me rambling, and there's a nail in the background if you're interested. So all of ours. You insult me, you insult the gang. Our irrational reaction and clearly quite confused comment was this one. It starts off, they obviously didn't understand the post, so that's fine. Not everybody understands everything. The world is a difficult place. And then told me to do it myself. I hope nobody was under the illusion that it was an open invitation to come around to my house and do it for me. And then just telling me they don't have a YouTube channel. I don't know what the relevance was there. Just made absolutely no sense whatsoever. But they were obviously quite confused, bless them. They did sign off with their name at the end though, which was edited because they had edited their post, but I screenshot both of them. Their first post, they had a completely different name. But clearly Dick nor Crazy are the type of person we want in our gang, so feel free to unsubscribe to save yourself from any further confusion. Let's have another lover. Let's do our lover sandwich. I could so eat a sandwich right now, a nice like Christmas leftover sandwich, even though there are no Christmas leftovers left. We did have another Christmas dinner today though. Oh my goodness, it's so good. We have these turkey roulades. So the butcher will get a bit of turkey. I don't know which bit. And then he just bashes one out. Oh man, he flattens one. And then we get some stuffing. We don't make the stuffing, we get it from M&S. This isn't just ordinary stuffing, this is M&S stuffing. And put stuffing in it, and then roll it, and then wrap it in, it's not bacon, it's not ham, prosciutto, is that what it's called? Anyway, and then put it in the oven, and oh my goodness, it's so good, so good. Parsnips with honey and mustard on them, sprouts with little tiny bits of bacon in them, Yorkshire pudding, crispy but fluffy roast potatoes. I want a second dinner right now. It was the only thing I'd eaten today. But anyway, let's have this is the best tutorial I think I've ever done. You know, talking you through step by step everything that's happening. Let's have one more lover before we go. Oh no, it's two. It's Matthew and Louise Stapleton. They're married, both commenting. Matthew now watches the videos with his wife and doesn't know who loves them more, and he finds himself singing Diamond Gloss for no reason. I love it. Hello both of you, Happy New Year, thank you for watching. And we did just top that with a Diamond Gloss, of course, I have to be quiet, it's late at night. I hope you liked the video. Sorry, it was just me rambling and checking in, saying hello really, but we have some flames and a checkered flag thing going on. I hope you like it. I do have a desk tour planned to do, which I'll try and film this week. It just means I have to clean and tidy my desk first, so that's why I can't just do it off the cuff. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.